Hey there, faithful viewers of my channel. Join me as I show you how to use Midjourney's form of in-painting called Vary Region. Let's go! I have generated an image that looks okay, but upon closer inspection, the spoon looks wonky and the fork has broken prongs. Let's click on U2 button to upscale this image. And then click on Vary Region button. Now in this screen, first click on the lasso tool. Now click and drag your cursor to draw around the spoon. Next type in your new prompt, metal spoon. The job is now submitted, and we'll wait a few moments for the image to be generated. As you can see, only one image has a perfect-looking spoon, so I'll use this image to continue to work on the fork. Click on the U4 button to upscale the image. The image is now upscaled. Now click on the Vary Region button. Now let's click on the lasso tool and click and drag around the whole fork. Now I'll change the prompt to metal fork and click Submit. We'll now wait for the image to be generated. Alright, now the new image has been generated. Oh no, something must have gone wrong. What happened to my fork? It has totally disappeared. Now we need to do it differently. Let's click on the Vary Region button again. Now click on the Reset button and click on the lasso tool. Now just draw around the whole prong of the fork. Keep the prompt the same and click Submit. Let's wait for the image to generate. Now the image is correctly generated with a proper-looking fork. Doesn't this look so much better? I sure think so. Now we'll just need to wait for Midjourney to be able to spell correctly. Hopefully soon. You can try it out yourself. This feature is now available on Discord app for desktop, as well as in mobile. If you need prompts to generate great images like these, visit my shop at thecosmiccuriosities.etsy.com. Tons of great ideas and tips for you to create high-quality and beautiful images for your projects. As always, give a like to this video and subscribe to be up to date with the latest from my channel. See you in the next video.